We've drove 128 mile for look at a spiralling fern, but it's worth it. QB roll. Welcome to Annandale, and welcome to another video from me, Mally Photography. Come on, let's go and have a look. This is stunning. So remote. I said so remote, car park were full. What's that all about? It's really, I don't know if any of you guys have been here. This is my first visit. And yeah, it is very remote and the water is so low. Look at this. And this is why I shouldn't be let out on my own. Walking off without my time lapse. That would have been one hell of a time lapse in a week's time. So as you're looking over my shoulder, camera left, we've got a knot crag. We can get round in the car and it gives us a view of the rest of Annandale. So we're heading over that way now because it looks tasty. We just stopped here to look at the low level of the water and have a way up and see what's what. So come on, join me. Let's all go round to the side. Sithee. We've come down to the other car park near the... I'm lost. I'll be honest, I've not a fecking clue where I am because I've seen silver birch. And when you see silver birch like these, specimens, I'll let you have a quick look. I've just walked over and straight away the separation between each tree and there's like a, how can you describe it, as a carpet of ferns in green, luminous green in places, and then these white and grey birch bursting out and all in their own little place. Have a look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So we're supposed to be going to Waterside. I've said, can I just stop and take a picture of this? Because if I walk past it, I'll be gutted. Right, let's get a shot. We've still not got Waterside and we've just stumbled upon this. There's no light, which is a shame, but some patches of light in this. Oh, there's so many compositions. It's a beautiful piece of woodland, that. It's a foxglove right in the middle. But I just love the concentration. There's so much. Chaotic but beautiful. Real intimate. But I think I might just move a bit of the twigs and branches away to give it more, make it more simplistic. With the coiling fern, so it's front and centre, and do chiaroscuro, dark, underexposed, and just using the colour of the fern to pop. Let's have a go. 16mm, wide as a cam, and we'll see what happens. It'll certainly be different, I think. Woodland. Hard to shoot if you try too hard. Make sense of that what you will, but that's the truth of it. Hard to shoot if you try too hard. By that I mean you don't simplify, you don't just look at the simplest shapes and make sense of them, because it's chaotic and that will never ever be avoided. But how we organise that chaos with our minds and how we visualise is what makes a good composition. What makes a great composition, I'm still learning, because Woodland is most definitely, Woodland's not just a quick thing. You're indebted to it. You have to be engulfed, encapsulated. You have to become the tree. Seriously, you have to do a lot. You have to see a lot. You have to spend a lot of time looking and visualising. And that doesn't come overnight. That comes with years and years and years of practice. So, I have a long journey to go, and I hope you'll come along with me. Sithee, we've got to the waterline, finally. Young lovebirds there. Oh. Mikey's having a love affair with his butty. With a mouthful of chocolate, this is turning into quite a disjointed vlog, because we're heading away from Annandale now. I didn't vlog much because it's all about the photography. I got very carried away with the woodland to the left and the lake to the right, just beautiful. And now we've lost Jeff because I think he's having a moment with the horse. So, albeit Annandale was not peak condition, shall we say, but great fun, and I think I've got some pretty good shots. But we're coming back, and of course, one of the favourite places, and I've said it numerous times, one of my favourite places to visit, and every time you come here you know why, and the smile, you just go, yeah, this is the place, this is why I love it. And we're at Wastwater, so you're getting a mixed bag today, folks, but wow, look at the cloud. Scarfell's showing there today. I think it's first time I've been here actually and been able to see Scarfell and coming down. Wow, I just adore this place. Just the cloud now lifting. I'm not rushing at all. Just gonna take this in. If I get a shot, I get a shot. It's clearing. It is clearing. This, folks, for me, is the best place in the Lake District. And you go everywhere. It just has this dream landscape. Look at that, the screes. Incredible. Incredible sight. So I'm gonna get my bag. Gotta get something, haven't I? So I hope you enjoyed the little bit at Annandale. I will be returning there, but yeah, it's a way to get climbing up there from the other side. I feel I think at the other end of the reservoir there could be a lot to shoot, where we ended up jumping in the forest, and in Annandale Forest and just looking round and getting some shots. But I didn't vlog it much because I was just really enjoying myself, and I think that's the point lately. A lot of the time when I'm out, the vlog is secondary. Even the photography's been taking a back seat today. But I'm not doing myself justice there. I just love this. You can't beat it. What can I say? Look at that. So this has been quite the adventure. I'm done in. I'm not going to say it's happening because it isn't. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of pink, but it's more salmon. I'm bushed. I'm done. Oh, getting some detail on the screes at the top with the cloud there. Oh, that's going to be a cheeky little shot for sure. So if you like what you've seen, hit subscribe, and if you want to see more, hit the notification bell. Lets you know when I put a new video out. From the wonderful, wonderful Wastwater, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Sithee.